It can feel like every direct sales consultant on social media is talking about how much money they make with their business, but it's like really fluffy. You don't really know. So you know how I am here at Kelly's Reading Corner. I like to give you the facts. We're gonna talk numbers today, and I'm gonna tell you how much money I make. Hi, I'm Kelly Nascimento with Kelly's Reading Corner, and if you clicked on this video, then you obviously are curious to know how much money I make as an Usborne Books More consultant. We are going to look at it from a few different angles here, and I'm gonna talk numbers today. So first, I will just kind of give you some background, let you know that I have been working in direct sales for about 6 years now. I was a Beachbody coach for 3 years, and then I switched to be an Usborne Books More consultant. If you want to know more about why I made that switch, you can click the link card here, and I'll link that below as well. If you check out my Book Biz playlist, you'll get a lot of videos about the business, including an FAQ, which is really helpful. But anyway, I've been a book consultant for a little bit over 3 years now. I've tried a lot of different things with my business. I've done like sales and special kinds of book drives and fundraisers and things. I've partied on Facebook, I've partied on Squee, and I think right now I'm really figuring out what works. I am working actually with a certified life coach on my business, on life and business, and we are working towards working 5 to 10 hours a week, earning 6 figures, and like in the most efficient, simple, fun way possible. So I've been really enjoying that, and in the past couple months I've been working with her, I have more than doubled my income, and I have cut in half the hours that I work per week. So just a FYI on that, things are changing for the better, but that's some background on me and my work. So let's get into some numbers. So how do you earn money as an Usborne Books More consultant? We are not gonna talk too much about like rank advancing, promoting into leadership, because there's a lot of ways you can earn money just as an entry-level consultant. You earn 25% commission on every single sale. You can also earn a bonus as a consultant. The very first level, you do not have to promote to any sort of leadership rank to earn a bonus. So every month that you sell $1,000 or more in that calendar month, you earn a 4% bonus on your sales that month. So that's technically 29% commission. So that's pretty cool. I will say where it goes up from there, and what I am earning right now is I earn a 12.5% commission bonus on my sales once they're over $1,000 for the month, because I am a leader in UBAM. So just FYI. So the way I think we should look at how much money I make as a consultant is looking at what I sell per party, what I earn per party, about how many hours I put into a party, and break it down as like an hourly rate, because the amount of time I've spent on my business over the past 3 years has fluctuated. And like I said earlier, I am working to decrease those hours and increase my income. So I think the best way to look at it is just let's look at per hour what I earn on average right now. So on average, my party sales are $350. That is the number that my certified life coach and I are really working hard on increasing, because that's less work if you can have less parties. So I have increased that sales average, so I'm super proud of that. So $350 is my party sales average. I earn 25% commission on that, and I spend about 2 to 3 hours total on a party from start to finish. Again, I've been working more towards the lower side of that, so we are going to say I spend 2 hours total on a party, and that includes actually running the party. It includes the pre-party stuff, the post-party stuff, the follow-up messages to the guests, the messages with the host beforehand. I do a quick little phone call with the host beforehand. It includes all of that time, so 2 hours, and if I'm earning 25% commission on that $350 party, 2 hours I'm spending, That is $43.75 per hour. And even if you max that out as you're like learning the platform, or if you have to do extra party setup for like new titles or change of season, even if you max that out at 3 hours per party, that is still $29 an hour. And in my book, that's pretty cool. Now, let's say, I have my calculator here. Let's say you have, let's see, how many parties does it take at $350 sales average? How many parties does it take in a month to get to that $1,000 where you get a little bonus? It would take 3 parties, 3 $350 parties in a month to sell $1,000 or $1,050. So you would get a 4% bonus on that $1,050. That's $40.80 for 3 parties. So that means your commission was $262.50. You also got that bonus of $40.80. So you earned $303.30 in that month that you did 3 parties. And if you spent, let's average it, 2.5 hours per party, you spent 7.5 hours working. That means you earned $40.44 per hour in a month like that. So I think that is some pretty good information for you, so you can kind of judge when you are working your UBAM business. You can judge how many parties you want to schedule, when you want to schedule them. You can decide how you want to party, and I give you all of the tools for how I personally party, so you can make a decision for yourself how much time you want to spend, how much money you want to make, and you fill your calendar however you want. You can have those 3 parties a month. You can have 2 parties per week, so that's 8 parties a month. That's usually my kind of comfort spot. I like to do 2 parties on Thursdays, and I do them at the same time, so I'm doing the same kind of conversations at the same time, really time efficient. And you know, obviously the less time you spend and the more money you make, the smarter you're working, and so that's always my goal in my business. I hope that you felt like this was good information and helpful. If you want to know more, I'm an open book. I'm so willing to have a private chat with you about it, about what this business could look like for you, and I don't mind diving into some more details about how I run my business and the money I earn as well, especially as you do promote into leadership. Obviously, there's opportunity to earn more bonus pay there. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. I look forward to chatting with you more if you are interested in learning more. If you check the description box below, you'll find all of my contact info. A super easy way to contact me is through text message, but you can also find me on Facebook and Instagram, and that's pretty much it. Facebook and Instagram. All right, I'll talk to you later.